What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you like that little introduction to the video. Yes, the Mustang build is back. It is looking better than ever. We did get a paint correction on this car. As you guys see, look at that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that paint looks. And it's so freaking smooth. For today's video, we are actually going to be installing the Euro taillights and the deck lid for this car. We're pretty much switching out the rear end look as far as that. We are gonna have to get a rear diffuser because we did get a brand new quad exhaust. Big shout out to Alex, my guy from Grabber Fox _50. Everybody give him a little follow. We're gonna replace this deck lid right here. This is very bad. So we are going to have to replace it, as well as the Euros. We are going to be putting some nice little Euros in here, and I am excited. That is a lot of water dripping. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to wash the car. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. That wasn't. I don't know if that was smart. Is that a 7 mil? Yep, it is. All right. And yes, I got this from Walmart. 15 bucks. Say what you want. One out. 4. All right. Oh, that came right off. Oh shit. So that came all off. All right, so this came out. All right, let's just throw that right here. Oh, we might get it, boys. Is this it? There we go. Like I said, the last thing we want to do is really keep scratching this thing, but all right, guys. Well, I guess we're reusing these from the old deck lid. Finally got it. Let's see. Does it connect? Shit. Let's connect it. There you go. Nice little. That's what we always need. A nice little clip right there. All right, that is good. All right, so now we are good. Look at that. New deck lid is on. Let's actually wipe it down. Wipe it down. And that thing looks a lot better. All right, next up, guys, is the tail lights. Take that far back, pull this out. That comes out. That comes out. That comes off. Let's see if that works. I don't know if it's spinning. Oh my God. Who the hell did that? What, the world's strongest man put that in there? Jesus. Think on me. Because I don't remember mine ever being this hard. There we go. All right. So that's going to go right here. Okay. I was going to say, holy crap. All right, actually we might not have to yeah, we just take out that one. That should be good. Let's plug out the taillights. All right. That's not gonna be fun. How the fuck? Holy shit, dude. Oh my God. Jesus. Come on, seriously? What are we doing here? Oh my goodness. Dude, Ford. What, like, why? Okay, I can feel a 10 mil, thank God. That would have been bad. Should pop out now. There we go. Oh my goodness. Nasty headlight or tail light. All right. That is god awful nasty. No, we need to make sure it's all clean under here for the final. Look at all that. Obviously, this is from years and years of buildup. All right, let's add a first tail light through. There we go. All right. There we go. Wire right here. Airbags just go off. Tail light is in. Dude, that looks so good. Hell yeah. All right, next tail light. Well, thank God we are good. 3, 2, 1. Alright, ew. This is so old. Oh my god, cobwebs. Ew. Alright. That's definitely paint. Yep, it is. Alright. Put that through. Have the suction on that. There we go, clipped in. We kind of end this. Yeah, they work. Dude, they look so sick. Gen 2s on Gen 2s look better, in my opinion. Gen 2s look better. I don't care what you guys say. All right, put this over. All right. We are good. It is nighttime. That should tell you guys a lot. You guys, sorry, GoPro died. But dude, check that thing out. It looks insane. So taillights look all good. The rear deck lid looks beautiful. I'm happy with the way this came out. This was a pain in the ass. This wasn't easy by any means. Look at that. Look how sick that looks, dude. But that's gonna be all for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Many more to come. Next up, we're gonna work on the front grille and lower grille. So it's gonna be the upper and lower grills. We might be doing some BMR springs. Big shout out to BMR. Also got my old strut tower from my Gen 3 Mustang, which I'm gonna see if that's gonna fit. It probably will. I don't see why not. But that's gonna be in the next episode. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.